Welcome to ClipsUncut, my dear friends. Today I want to talk about Gourmia's 7 quart digital air fryer. That's the box. Now this air fryer, I bought this from Costco like a week back. It is currently on sale. The sale is valid till April 3rd. Item number 5232432. Again, 5232432. Gourmia 7 quart digital air fryer. So the online price is $60. There is a $10 discount. You can get it for $50. But if you go to the warehouse in-store price is $50 less $10. You can get this for $40. 7 quart digital air fryer. I think it's an awesome deal. So we'll do the unboxing, but before that, let's quickly talk about the accessories which are included are non-stick crisper tray, multi-purpose rack with the recipe book, and it's a preset 10 one-touch cooking functions. It's got a guided cooking prompt with optional preheat and turn food reminders, FryForce 360 technology, 90 to 400 degrees Fahrenheit temperature range up to 24 hours with auto shut off. Includes dishwasher safe basket, crisper tray and multi-purpose rack for easy cleanup, digital dual time temperature control, cord management system. The dimensions, type of material is metal, plastic and stainless steel, very important. And so the length is 15 by 1, width is 11 inches and the height is 14 inches. It weighs around 9.7 pounds, 10 pounds. And it is a 1500 watts, which is a good, powerful, small little 7 quart digital air fryer. And yeah, I think this should be good enough for like a family of 4 or 1 person, 2 people, whatever. And the best part, it comes with a recipe book, because a person like me, I don't know like too much cooking, whatever, but this will definitely help you to to bake, to reheat your food, to roast, broil, reheat, keep your food warm, dehydrate. You can make your bacons and fries and wings and whatnot. Yeah, so I don't know. We will see how this looks like, how the build quality is. Let's do the unboxing and I'll see you on the other side. So yeah guys, this is the Gourmia 7 quart digital air fryers, 10 one-touch cooking functions, 360 degrees, FryForce technology, guided cooking prompts, angled touch screen, easy cleanup, recipe book which is included, multi-purpose rack. And that's how the screen looks like. Air fry, bake, roast, broil, reheat, keep warm, dehydrate. That's the model number, GAF798. 80% less fat than deep frying. So 7 quart is basically your 6.7 liter capacity. And let's see, so you can do your air fry for your fries and stuff. You can bake, you can do the roasting, powerful circulation, healthy eating, perfect crisp system, express heat element. What else? Bacon, dehydrate, broil, bake and roast. That's the crisper tray. These are the dimensions, which is 11 inches, 13 inches in height, 13.98, close to 14 inches, and 15 inches. It's the overall width. Capacity 7 quart, 6.7, convenient quart storage, easy cleanup, angled touchscreen, temperature and time control, 10 one-touch cooking function, dehydrate function, guided cooking prompts, which is customizable cooking steps that you can enable or disable based on your preference. Preheat and add food. Air fryer will preheat and prompt you when to add food, and turn the food, which will prompt you to turn food halfway through the cooking time. And the preset modes eliminate the guesswork. And then of course the temperature and time control display shows temperature and time simultaneously, so it's easy to adjust and monitor. The angle touchscreen will control with the control panel is angled, so it's easy to view. Easy cleanup, which includes the non-stick dishwasher safe basket, crisper tray, and the multi-purpose rack. Built-in Quart storage on the back of the unit for a neat and clean counter. And that's that. Social media stuff, contact information, customer service. Let's do the unboxing. I know you can't see it, but I'll be right there. Let's see. Okay, so that's the user manual. That is your customer service, and that's your recipe book, and that's your, again, customer service. Let's check out the back. That's your card management. Nice thick wire, easy to mount it like this if you're not using it, or if you're using. The weight is not too heavy, not too light, right. It's quite comfortable. That's the front of it. Nice plastic. That's the digital LCD screen. That's the Gourmia's embossed logo. This is how it is from the inside. That's your tray. Nice stainless steel or non-stick, I guess, with these rubbery cushions. I don't know if it stays with it when it goes inside or it'll come out. I'll have to check. That's the stainless steel tray, and that's how it is from the inside. And this itself is like, again, not too heavy, so easy to power is on. This I think remains on for the most part, and you just touch this and that's how the screen looks like. I think it's pretty cool. That's the air fry, fries, wings, bacon, reheat, preheat, stop or cancel. Again, that's your power button, that's your start button, turn reminder, dehydrate, keep warm, roast, broil, bake, temperature, on, off. So that's 400 Fahrenheit. Air fryer by default, preheat, turn on, that's your timer. 20 minutes, 20 minutes, whatever, 19 minutes. You say start, it's going to start. So now this already started to preheat. Of course, there's nothing inside. All the other trays are over here. There's no food inside, but this is just to show you guys how this would probably operate. I don't know if this is even normal for the there is some air sound or something or whatever. So it's going to preheat. Let's just stop for that. I think that's the fan, which is of course an end. So yeah friends, as you saw, tons of features, tons of things you can do with an air fryer nowadays. It's very, very popular. It's my first. I don't know even how to use this. I'm going to read the manual, read the recipe book, take some tips, and if you have any, share them in the comment section. And of course, let me know if you are using this, which is your favorite recipe. What are you cooking? How are you using this? How is your experience if you're already using this particular model? But for $40, I think April 3rd is your last day, so don't miss out this deal. I think it's an amazing, very high quality. I could tell just by looking at the the LCD screen, the build quality, the materials that they've used, stainless steel, non-stick, and the weight that it has. Very nice finishing overall. The wire is thick, and I think it's almost like a mini oven. As we all know, air fryer is used everywhere nowadays. I am late to the party, but hey, I'll make my stuff. Anyway, so if you guys like the video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel guys, and I will see you in the next one. Peace out. Bye bye.